new tool, the Black Beauty from the TV series The Green Hornet by Round 2. And here you go, Green Hornet fans. We finally get a 1/25th scale model kit from Round 2. This is the Black Beauty from the 1966 TV series The Green Hornet. This car is actually based off the 1966 Imperial Crown hardtop. Now this was modified by Dean Jeffries for around $50,000. And this kit is loaded with lots of extras. As you can see here, wow, fantastic. And we also get a couple of figures here. We get Kato and, of course, the Green Hornet. Who played Kato? But, of course, the legendary Bruce Lee. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside the box. And right away, see it's molded in black plastic. Very nice there. Clear parts and the chrome parts. Bag full of all the interior parts and such. The tires and axles, metal axles. The body. Wow, look at that. It's pretty large, actually. The instruction sheet and some decals. Let's get a close-up of all the parts and the instructions. I'll be right back. And here's the first tree. Very nice there. Let's get a closer view. Here's the side panels for the interior. Very nicely detailed. The bench seat, the tail end of the car, the front headlights. Very nice. The next tree, very nice here. Looks like we received the dash, the partition for the limo style back end of the Lincoln. Here's the dash. More internal parts there. Here's that partition, radio, TV, steering wheel. Very nice. Looks like the back window. Very cool. The interior bucket, rear seat, the chassis and molded in engine detail from underneath, exhaust system, rear axle, front axle, which is typical round 2. Would have been nice if they gave us all these components separate and we actually built them. And you can see there. And here's all the clear parts. We have the green headlights, the red tail lights, and of course the windshield and back window. And very clear there, very nice. Tail lights themselves. And the green headlights. These were all separately bagged. Very nice there. Next we have the chrome parts, wheels and such, the grille. Let's get a closer look. There's the grille. And the wheels. The headlight bezels. Some more chrome pieces there. Let me turn this over. There's some details on the other side. And you can see we do have the weapons, rockets and such. Very nice. Here's the tires and the metal axles. The tires are just your standard road tires. No white wall or anything like that on it. No markings whatsoever. Very nice tread pattern there though. And of course your standard metal axles. And you've probably been waiting for this, but this is the Green Hornet and Kato. Let's get a closer view. We'll start off with Kato. Very nice sculpt there. He had his chauffeur hat on there. Like I said, Bruce Lee played the role there. And there's his outfit. And the backside. And the backside of Kato. And the Green Hornet, complete with mask. And his body. Backside. And the backside of the Green Hornet. And the water slide decals. Let's get a closer view. Here's an overall view. The license plates. All the different instrument panels and TV screen displays. Some white stripes. And what you've been waiting for, I'm sure, the main body. And you can see the lines there definitely reflect the base car. Underside. And the other side there. And the back end. And the front end. Let's get a closer view. Close up of the front. Hood detail. The A-pillars. The C-pillar. And you can see the top has the vinyl covering on it. Two-door, front and back. Rear fender skirt. Back of the car. Once again, another shot of the back of the car. Back of the trunk. You got that view there. And lastly, that view there. And the kit instructions, which are fold-out style instructions. Very nice artwork and graphics here. Do give you some tips and pointers for the advanced modeler. So they tell you to go ahead and put everything together, fill the seams, and then do your paint. Working on the dashboard. The figures. Front seat partition. And the interior, adding the front bench seat, the dash, the side panels, and of course the figures. Installing the windows, assembling the wheels, body to chassis, showing us where some of the decals go. Front bumper, center grille, headlights, front end assembly, and take note of the note down below. Rear bumper, scanner satellite tail lights, and some symbols there to follow during the build. Give you a close-up of the side panels on the box. The back side of the box. All the features listed on the back side of the box there. And of course the Green Hornet and Kato. And close-up view of the built model. And that was a What's in the Box review of the Black Beauty from the TV series The Green Hornet. This is a brand new toolkit in 1/25th scale, available from AMT or Round 2. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Please give me your comments down below on what you think about this kit. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.